am going to show you guys a deep conditioning hair mask, and this hair mask is actually for dry and frizzy hair. So if you have dry and frizzy hair like me, you would really relate to me, because in winters it's really hard to take care of your hair, and at times it is windy outside, so there is a static charge in your hair and your hair looks so messed up and you have to just go around with that messiness over you. So I just wanted to get a remedy for that. Also, I have a wedding to attend in the first week of December and I am getting ready for it because this is just 1 week left. So I started off with the pampering routine. So I just wanted to pamper my hair. I just wanted them to look good, and I thought that why not share this routine with you guys. So also I would like to take a moment to give a shout out to one of you guys. So hey there Pinky, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, to subscribing to my family and being a part of it. I adore you so much and I love you for all the support and love you shower over me. And yeah, that's pretty much. I love you. Alright, so without further ado, now let's get started with today's video.
Guys, let's begin with the making of the deep conditioning hair mask. So you need 2 different ingredients, that is honey and olive oil. Now you need to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now honey actually helps retain moisture and it turns your damaged hair into smooth and nourished hair, which is all we want. Now the next step is to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now olive oil will actually help prevent breakage or hair fall, flyaways and split ends. Again, this is a great benefit. Now for your information, the olive oil bottle costed me 200 rupees and it is very easily available in the grocery stores, so you guys can get it. Now what you have to do next is you have to stir the mixture for like 2 seconds and there you go, it's ready. Now what you have to do next is you have to part your hair into 2 halves. Now whenever you're applying a hair oil or you're applying a mask or anything like that, you should always do that because it's easier to apply the products this way. Now what I want to do is I am going to apply the mask on the ends first, because the most damage or जो सबसे ज़्यादा damage है, it is on the ends, and then I'm going to move towards the roots. So I actually need to moisturize and nourish my ends, and this happens with everybody, that the ends of your hair is very brittle and it is rough and it has lost the shine, so you must target them first. Now one thing that I want you guys to remember is do not apply the hair mask at night and sleep over it, because then it will not do any benefit to you, ulta it is harmful. So what you have to do is you have to apply this hair mask, sit for 20 minutes only, and then you have to wash it off with a shampoo. Now the shampoo has to be a very light shampoo and you don't have to be very harsh. Also do not apply too much of this hair mask, because honey already has that property of it is sticky, and if you apply a lot of it then you will have to do a lot of shampoo, and again you will come to point 0 and koi fayda nahi hoga of applying the mask. So just take care guys that you do not over apply it, do not over shampoo, and yeah, that is all I want you to remember. Now once you are done, you have to tie your entire hair into a bun, sit for 20 minutes only and not more than 20 minutes, and then you can wash it off, and then you'll have smooth, lustrous and nourished hair. Now you have to do this routine, and you have to do this routine for like once a week, and that will be good to go. And that's pretty much. So I hope you guys would have enjoyed this video, you would have found it useful. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up guys, and I am going to see you guys in my next video tutorial very soon. Until then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.